Good morning. Welcome to day 3. If you're new here, this class is part of my 5-day morning yoga series. So glad to join you here. Today is a short but sweet 5-minute yoga class. Let's begin. Come to standing. Step to the top of the mat. Take a deep inhale. Reach overhead. Exhale, draw it into heart center. 2 more times. Grab all that love around you. And draw it into heart center. Last time. Reach nice and tall. Exhale, draw that love to heart center. Take an inhale. On your exhale, flip your palms forward, offering that love out into the universe. Inhale, draw the palms overhead. Exhale, gentle side stretch to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, side stretch to the right. No forcing here. Inhale to center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Release the hands. Inhale the hands up overhead. Reach tall. Exhale, forward fold. Option to bend the knees here. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, step back, lift the hips into down dog. Walk it out, find some movement, twerk it out, do whatever feels good this morning. We're gonna wake up the legs here. On an inhale, rounding through to plank. Exhale, down dog. Inhale one more time, round through to plank. Exhale, push the hips back for down dog. Inhale, right leg. Bend that knee, open the hip. On an exhale, step to the top of the mat. Inhale, left toes are pointed towards the left side of the mat for warrior 2. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, reverse warrior. Inhale. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, left leg. Open that knee. Exhale, step to the top of the mat. Inhale, open to the right for warrior 2. Next, inhale, reach forward. Exhale, reverse warrior. Full inhale. Exhale, down dog. Drop the knees. Forehead to the mat for child's pose. Draw the breath into the belly. Nice deep inhale. Exhale, big sigh here, releasing tension within the shoulders and the upper back. Know that throughout the day, you can always come back to this posture to reset or to simply release neck, shoulder, and lower back tension. Slowly release. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste.